Sangeet Sandhya with Ragini and Nandini Shankar along with Aditya Kalyanpur on the tabla was a fabulous treat for all the music lovers in Dubai. We have with us the prodigious Aditya Kalyanpur, who is a master in tabla playing, and we would like to talk to him and get his views on music, art, culture and the audience response. Welcome to Dubai. We wanted to find out how did you enjoy playing with Ragini and Nandini Shankar in Dubai, and how was the audience response to the same?
First of all, thank you for inviting me to Dubai here, and I would like to thank Ragini, Nandini and you of course for the very kind invitation. And it's always such a joy and pleasure to play with them, because I have had the honor of playing their debut concert back in India almost 15 years ago. So I saw them as little kids, and now they're such accomplished musicians. So it's always an honor, and here to be here in Dubai, and all the efforts that your organization has taken for us to be here, we really appreciate that, and we were really overwhelmed by all the kindness that we were shown. So thanks to the music lovers that showed up tonight, and thanks to you and your committee for all the efforts in putting this together, and I look forward to coming here more often.
How do you see the scene of youngsters taking to tabla learning, both India and abroad? Since you teach quite often in US, you teach in other European countries and India of course, so how do you find the difference or the similarities in the same?
Well, to be honest, I think over the last 50 years, just as India has developed, the love for tabla has also developed. And thanks to my gurus, my great gurus, Ustad Allah Rakha and Ustad Zakir Hussain, for all the efforts that they have taken to, expose young tabla students to this great art form. So it's really nice to see that world over there have been so many students who are learning this, and also many who take up this as a profession now, which wasn't happening about 2 decades ago. Probably I'm one of the youngest generation to do this full time. In spite of my father being an engineer and mother being a computer professional, I decided to take up tabla. So there are many people aspiring young tabla students who are doing this very seriously, and there is a lot of attraction towards our Indian music world over. In the last 25 years or so, there has been a sea change in the way our music is approached by Westerners and even our own people back in India. I mean, of course, Bollywood has taken over, and there is a lot of attraction towards Bollywood, but still there are many who want to be stay connected to the roots and the tradition of our music. So I think the illustrious grandmother of Ragini and Nandini and legends like her, Dr. N. Rajamji, have played a pivotal role in making Indian music what it is today. It's thanks to their efforts.
That was Aditya Kalyanpur speaking to us on the scene of music, art, culture and the popularity of tabla. We hope to bring many more interviews with different distinguished personalities in the days to come.